Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 15th, 2019. I'm out in the northern lower workshop area, and this morning it's 52 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to drop down to freezing by nightfall. We had rain over last night, and we got up to 54 degrees yesterday, 54 degrees Fahrenheit, which has been a really nice welcome change. Therefore, I've had the doors all open, trying to bring in as much warmth as possible. We're actually getting some sunshine out there as the sun's coming up over the east right now. And today's video is just going to be some time-lapse video of me installing all of these vertical 2x3s along the east wall and along the northeastern section up to the entrance door in the north wall. Installing the vertical 2x3s is quite easy. They're very kiln dried, so it's really nice to work with no matter what the temperature is. I use Torx coated 3-inch long wood screws to attach them to the horizontal 2x3s, and I attached them to the 2x4s, which are pressure treated 2x4s along the floor. Now, one of those challenging things when it's winter time, those pressure-treated 2x4s are completely saturated, and I got them at a time when everything was frozen, so it arrived like a big block of ice, basically. And as I stored them in the workshop until I was able to use them, they were difficult. You had to break them apart, lots of thick ice on them. I was able to scrape a lot of the ice off them, but knowing that yesterday and today it would be getting warmer, I went ahead and broke them apart the day before yesterday, laid them out all along the floor here in hopes that with the rising temperature and them being separated from each other, they'd start to thaw some. Why would I be concerned about it? Well, one of the reasons is the expansion of the 2x4 as a result of the freezing and such high moisture content. I was able to get about a 1/4 inch of ice off of each one of them, and it's much easier to not split the wood when you're driving the screws into them from the kiln dried boards to the pressure treated boards. So that worked out pretty well. Some of the areas were still frozen yesterday when I attached them, so I had to use a hammer to persuade the studs to fit into the locations that I wanted them in and all. So things have been going pretty well so far. I've got a couple of projects lined up for today, but you'll see some GoPro time-lapse videos, and that's about it for today. So if you found this video of value, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when we post more videos. Feel free to ask any questions or leave comments. I appreciate it. Thanks so much, folks. Have a super fantastic day. Bye-bye now.